welcome back to my channel. So today I have a special guest here with me. Is my little sister Anel.
Hi guys.
So today we'll be making peanut butter mousse.
Peanut butter mousse. That's a banana poo.
To make 2 small smoothies, we'll be using
Banana.
1 cup of ice,
Teaspoons. 2 teaspoons.
2 teaspoons of peanut butter,
2 teaspoons of peanut butter. Okay.
1 cup of ice. Now let's get started. This is gonna be so good. Now that it's all done, let's create our fall peanut butter mousse.
Yeah.
Add whipped cream and cinnamon to make it extra special.
Ow. Be careful. Tastes like banana.
So next we'll be making peanut butter cookies. What you'll need is parchment paper,
Peanut butter.
2 cups of peanut butter. Depending on how much you want to make, you can definitely add more.
3 eggs.
1 cup of sugar. And a
a
baking
baking
pan.
pan.
Let's get started. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!
Look, chewy.